Hi, I'm Sam Barros, Director of Engineering for Nostrum High Performance. I'm here with Brooke Barini's car at the GTR World Cup. Brooke's our first ever sponsored driver. Nostrum sponsored Brooke with a set of our high-performance injectors for the Nissan GTR. These injectors made an incredible 670 wheel horsepower on her bolt-on car. This is only intakes, downpipes, fuel system, E80 ethanol fuel. Brooke's running 9.9 second quarter miles, which is a pretty phenomenal time considering the modifications to the car. And we're looking forward to seeing how she does on the competition. Brooke's car is running a set of Nostrum proprietary GTR fuel injectors. These injectors flow 1,150 cc's per minute at 3 bar, which is good for about 800 wheel horsepower on E80 ethanol. On Brooke's car right now, which is only a bolt-on car, it's good for about 670 wheel horsepower. Injectors are very easy to tune. We get minimal smoke out of the exhaust. Drivability is phenomenal because they come with full characterization data, and I think the 9-second passes really speak for themselves. Make sure you check out nostrumshop.com for more information on the fuel injectors and to be able to purchase a set for yourself.